Alright everybody, today it's the fire alarm room system test 1. Alright everybody, so this is fire alarm system test 1 and welcome to my new video. And today I'm going to show you the simplex alarms. So let's go ahead and get started with this. I'm going to get my key real quick. So right here I have my powder pull station. Yes, I do have tape on it because on the back, because it's not going to hang on loose. So yeah. So as you can see, this one is not even simplex pull station, but I just made it up. But as you can see, this one, the simplex logo has been ruined, as you can see. There's a side we have the back box right connected to this simplex speaker strobe, which is sitting on the shelf right there. So yeah, I have the back box on it because I don't want to hang out loose and everything. So yeah, and as you can see about this pull station is all made out of metal. The T-bar is made out of metal. The fire alarm is made out of metal. And yeah. So as you can see, I'm gonna do something with it. So yeah, so right here, I have to put the other alarm right over there. So this one could be a fire alarm thing right there to put tape on the system. But for now, we'd be testing the fire alarm. So I'm gonna just do something real quick. All right, we're going ahead and get started with the demonstration. Of course, the red jacket right here, so it's blocking it. I also have the Simplex strobe or speaker strobe on Simplex 4003 EC. Fire message. This is going to be loud. Make sure to cover your ears. I'm gonna climb up there to see it. Can you hear it? I'm gonna silence the panel. So, yeah, this one's on this message, and then, yeah, and then I'm gonna show you something. Alright, I will be playing the Simplex female message. I just changed the panel, and the Simplex speaker strobe is gonna sit on the shelf. Here we go. Can you hear the speaker strobe? So let me show the inside of this now. So, yeah, I think, so basically I just shut off the panel now, use the breakers. So basically when you, pull it, so basically when you pull it down, like this, really doesn't do anything, but then I know how to install a fake fire alarm system. But, yeah, I think we're done with this video. So, get this finished. We're gonna put the computer down. I cannot reach because I'm downloading the fire alarm system. Of course, I do have my electric guitar here. And then I'll close up the system. The fire alarm room. Thank you guys for watching.